My producer Martin challenged me to get 500 subscribers for my YouTube channel. His forfeit would be to have his food hell, which is liver. So today is the day, because unfortunately for Martin, I did reach 500, and it's going to be a Vietnamese way inspired by a dish called Phá Lấu, which uses all types of offals, and it's a cheap eat, particularly for students in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, and it has the flavouring is of 5 spice. I'm going to make an inspired dish that is very much has the same flavour profile. So this is our hoisin, oyster and a bit of soy, just to give us that lovely flavour. And I think to master flavour taste, if you're not a keen liver fan, the bay leaf from our French influence, the 5 spice, a little bit of pepper and chilli to give it a little bit of kick. So let's put the heat on. I'm using my beautiful Hexclad wok today to cook this, and it's really convenient because I can use my metal spoon because it's a non-scratch surface. And firstly we're going to do is let's add some vegetable oil. So scrunch it up so it releases the flavour. So this would give you a beautiful flavour to the slightly difficult liver for people who don't love it. I wish you can smell it. The moment the bay leaf hit the oil, it releases its fragrance. It's beautiful. So what you're looking for is to soften the onion and the garlic a little bit, and we're going to flavour it with the 5 spice powder. It gives you that instinctive smell. So Phá Lấu, it reminds me so much of the Phá Lấu in Vietnam. Right, here we go. Chicken liver. Let's add this to it. So gently stir it. You don't want to break the liver up too much because it's quite delicate. And then coat the liver in the aromatic onion, garlic and bay leaf spice. And then we're going to go in with the seasoning. Oyster sauce, hoisin and a little bit of soy. Martin, does it smell good?
It smells amazing.
Good.
It does smell really nice. It's a long way from that terrible liver that my mum used to cook, you know. She used to coat it in flour and then fry it.
But you know,
she used to fry it really quickly, you know, just like put it in a pan, fry it with bacon and onions.
You don't normally get Phá Lấu with chilli, but I'm going to add some because I think it adds a little bit of warmth. So chilli and some black pepper. Don't be tempted to add water to this. We want a really sauté, creamy texture. So leave it, and then what we do now is we're going to put a lid on it, turn the heat down, cook it for a few more minutes, and then serve it. Just leave it for about 2 minutes and have a look at it again. You want the liver to have still a little bit pink in the middle, but cooking the outside. So that's what we're aiming for. So come back in 2 minutes. I think this is it. And the last step is always add the sesame oil for nuttiness, but at the last minute. If you cook it too long, the flavour and the smell will evaporate. So turn off the heat and then drizzle a little bit of sesame oil in it. I would say give it a couple of minutes to rest before serving. Marta, I don't know why I keep hearing this. It's like, it's the final countdown.
So, on Saturday morning kitchen, yeah?
Yep. This is Martin.
No, the difference is, on that, you get heaven or hell. On today,
just hell.
Just hell.
Sorry, just hell. This is your special sauté liver. I'm going to present it to you like a little surprise, so we can savour the smell, and then we're going to dip it in some hoisin sauce, sriracha, and some chili oil.
do I hold my nose? Hold my nose, shut my
I
eyes. No, it
promise
smells
it's going to be good.
fantastic.
I'm sure it's going to be good.
It tastes fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
I love the taste. It's that underlying strange mouthfeel that I find difficult.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
But I gotta say, you can taste the ginger, you can taste the 5 spice, you can taste everything coming through. The garlic.
Oh, good.
It's beautiful.
Have a bit more.
Shall I give you some more?
Do you know, it's definitely better than my mum used to make.